To clean or replace the gears on your G20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the cover plate, O-ring, and gears from the pump cavity. Inspect the gears for wear or damage. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To reinstall, wipe the gears and the cavity with a clean cloth. Coat the O-ring with light grease and reinstall the O-ring. Replace the gears, making sure they turn freely. Then reinstall the cover plate onto the pump housing. Ensure the O-ring is securely seated before tightening the cover plate.